Oh, mama. Hey, pretty lady. You looking beautiful today? So today I was like, what is somebody with some cool hair that I can do for a quick tutorial? And I thought Johnny Bravo. Easy, simple, fun. And he has a lot of hair and I have a lot of hair, so why not? So this is the first hairstyle. It's just a puff, but I pushed it to the front. So I pushed my puff up, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now that your hair is wild and free like mine, so you're gonna take a headband that's stretchy. You get these from Walmart for about $2 a pack, or you get it from a dollar store. Wrap it around your head twice. So it's now twice around your neck. Lift it up. Now the headband's on your forehead and behind your ears. So to make your puff towards the front, you have to push your headband up to the back of your hair. Push the sides in and the front will automatically go up. And shape it how you want. Keep pushing that back up so that your hair comes to the front. Pick it out as much as you want. And now, like Johnny Bravo. Hoo-ha! And the second style is going to have a pompadour in the front and the back will be up. So split your hair down the middle as best as you can. It does not have to be perfect because mine isn't. So then for the back, I'm going to do a twist and tuck. Now you can also do a flat twist. If you want me to do a flat twist for tutorial, comment down below. So to begin, let me turn around for you guys so you can see. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a small section from the back and tuck it in like this, okay? So you're going to tuck it and roll, tuck and roll. I'm taking the palm of my hand, I'm smoothing down the sides as best as I can. If you have any gel or hairspray, feel free to use that, but I'm not going to. So just tuck and roll, tuck and roll. I'm gonna stop at the top of my head and my body pin this down. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna take a small section from the back and tuck it in this way. We're gonna tuck and roll. Taking the palm of my hand and smoothing down the sides. Tuck and roll all the way to the top. I'm gonna stop where I stopped on the other side, so about right here, and I'm body pin it down. All right, now that your sides are pinned down, we're gonna take the front, collect as much as you can. I'm gonna put my hand right here, and I'm gonna roll it over, just like the unicorn, but I'm not gonna keep rolling. I'm just gonna roll over once and bobby pin it right here. All right, and this is the final look now, like Johnny, I think. Let me know what you think. Hoo-ha! Hey, little mama, what you think of my hairstyle?
Man, I'm pretty.
So give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. If you have any gel or hairspray, you can slick this down even more, but you have a lot of black t-shirts, sunglasses, some jeans, become Johnny Bravo. Until my next video, bye.